Jira tracks every change. But exporting a clear history in Excel? That's the problem. Let's explore how to do it right. A complete Jira work item change history in Excel is needed for audits, reports, and retrospectives. First, let's look at the native Jira export option. Using JQL, you can select work items by project, assignee, status, or date. The generated list of work items you can export to Excel, CSV format. However, this format is not very convenient to read or analyze. The file contains only the latest values of each work item. It does not include status history, previous assignees, field change timelines. For audits or investigations, this data is incomplete. To export the full Jira change history into Excel, install Issue History for Jira by SaaSJet from the Atlassian Marketplace. This app collects the complete change history across your Jira work items and shows it in a single, exportable view. Once installed, open the app from the Apps menu. Apply filters such as Project, Updater, or Date Range. In the Columns menu, choose the fields you need to add to the table, for example, the due date field. The table displays every recorded update, including changed fields, old and new values, the person responsible for the change, exact timestamp. To download the report, click Export and choose Excel. This format is ready for audits, reports, and detailed analysis. Use Jira's built-in export when you only need the current state of work items. Use Issue History for Jira when you need the full change history reports.